Hello everyone, welcome back. I will show you a few good stretches that can help you to live good and healthy life. So let's get started. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, first starting from thoracic spine, take a deep breath. Place your left arm behind your head with deep exhale, twist towards the left side. Hold 3, 2, 1. Then your left elbow drives towards the right side all over. Right arm open up. Hold 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Take a deep breath. Right arm behind your head. Exhale, rotate towards the right side. Again, deep inhale. Exhale towards the left. Left arm open up. Hold 3, 2, 1. Back. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale, right arm behind your head. Exhale and loop up. You need to feel your upper back, lower back a little bit. Then you switch. Left arm behind your head. Exhale, look up. Drive your elbow up. Okay. Release. Then we drive hip. Right leg in front, left leg back. Right now you need to feel the right side of your butt. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Inhale. Right leg drive backwards and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Take a deep breath again. Exhale. From here, rotate your pelvis. First, what we're gonna do, elevate your legs. We're gonna go to down dog. Then we're gonna go to plank position. Then from here, we're gonna drive our hip backwards, lengthening for the spine and shoulders. And again, down dog, plank position, back. Let's work. 1, 2, nice and smooth. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, slowly bend your legs and slowly flex. 7, 8, 9. Don't forget, first drive your shoulders and then down dog. Down dog, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, plank position, we're gonna step with right leg in front. Hold 10, 9, left leg straight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up the right arm and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we continue. Try to touch with your right elbow the ground and open up, twist. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 times. 8, 9, 10. Hold few seconds. 3, 2, 1. From here, you drop your left knee on the ground and your right leg drives all over straight back. You need to feel your hamstrings. After that, keep your left arm on the ground, your hip. You need to drive them forward. Rotate your left leg and open up with your right arm. You need to feel the left, you need to feel your hips, everything here. And again, rotate your left knee on the ground, bend both legs and drive them backward, hamstrings, and 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10 and hold. 3, 2, 1 and release. Okay, down dog. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, knees on the ground. And we switch side. I will do, you can continue doing, but I will switch to do like to be face to you. Inhale. Exhale, left leg in front. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We start rotating up, elbow up. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now elbow on the ground, we touch and rotate. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your right knee on the ground, left arm in front, left leg goes straight back. Feel your hamstrings. 3, 2, 1. Then again, you move forward a little bit, rotate your right arm, your right leg, sorry, hip backwards, and you open your left up. And when you're back again, same thing. Nice and smooth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, hold. 3, 2, 1 and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. We continue. Left leg in front, right knee on the ground. From here, you can try to grab with your right arm, your toe, stretch it a little bit, hold. 3, 2, 1, then you switch. Right leg in front, left, grab, and stretch. 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here again, take a deep breath, we go to down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then release. Then the next one will be a little bit of hips, leg towards the side, stretch, and forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 10 on each side. 3, 4, 5, 6, hip in the middle. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you switch the right one. 1 towards the side. 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, and release. Okay, take a deep breath. Lie down on your back. From here, two legs together, twist towards the left side first. The lower back and lumbar will feel really good here. Hold 3, 2, 1, then you switch. Same thing, or let me take out my mic. Same thing on the right side. Hold 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more good stretch. Rotate your pelvis, elevate. And from here, I want you just to drive towards the left and towards the right. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. We continue. For those who can, you can grab your legs and push your butt up. If you cannot reach your legs, you can use a towel. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back hip on the ground, flat back. Right knee towards your chest, left leg straight forward. Try to touch with your chin, your knee. Then you switch. Okay, grab your both legs, push them towards your chest, flat back. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, this is something you can do almost daily, weekly, a few times. This kind of quick stretch can help you in the morning, can help you in the evening after all your day or before. All depends what you're doing. So I wish you can find this quick practice useful for you. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace out.